Hello everybody, my name is Niliam and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you've been here before, hey, how you doing? Today we are going to be working on an amazing chaos pour. If you don't know what a chaos pour is, it's actually a similar technique to the Dutch pour technique, just that all the paints are actually layered right on top of each other in no specific rhyme or reason, and as you blow you actually get those contrasting lines and creates very different dynamic in the canvas. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, as I would love to continue on making great content for you. And with all that being said, let's get right into the video. So for today's pour, I will be using Winston & Newton paints as well as my all-time favorite Liquitex paints. All the colors and links will be listed in the description box below and where I got it from. Most of these materials, I normally get them from Michael's, so they are readily available for anyone to use. And of course, I am using my medium, which is water and Floetrol mixture, of course, with my paints. So the chaos pour technique is very user-friendly, very beginner-friendly for that matter, and for the most part, if you pick the right colors, it definitely will come out really nice. You'll get nice contrasting lines, contrasting colors, and of course, you'll be able to get different types of dimensions on your canvas. So definitely give it a try, and if you do, by all means feel free to tag me or send it my way. I would love to share it on my social media if that's something you choose. And yeah, I definitely look forward to seeing all of your creations. Definitely leave me a comment in the section below to see if this is something you've seen before or something that you would like to try. Alright, let's see those results. As you can tell, this piece came out super amazing, super vibrant, and I absolutely love the final results. That being said, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, again, as I would love to create new content for you. And if you like this technique and you like this content, by all means feel free to leave me a comment in the section below. I look forward to making great content for you. Bye!